Team take profits on the move, the movement is real. 50 pips a day, watch the money drip. Pips pay my bills, pips pay my bills, pips pay my bills, pips pay my bills.
What's up, team? Let's go. Team take profits in the building. Who ready to get this education? Potentially make some money. Let's go. What up? Where everybody from? What's up, man? It's about 2 a.m. Eastern time. Daylight saving time. So London really doesn't even open up until 4 a.m. 4 a.m. Hey team, as you guys are coming in, please like and share the video so we can get it across the internet. So your cousins and your aunties and your friends can get on and learn about Forex. We're trying to educate the world. Please like and share as you're coming in so we can spread the word. We don't want to be selfish with this. All right. New Jersey, what's up? Trying to start a team. Philippines. How's everything going in the Philippines? No, I'm not single. Richard say, are you single? I'm not single, baby. All right, so let's get to Chicago, Chi-Town. What's up, baby? Chi-Town in a building, Rack City. All right, let's get to these charts. Let's get to these charts. I want everybody to go to we're gonna get to these charts. Make sure you Trinidad, I see you, baby. I want everybody to hit go to your charts and bring up GBP JPY. I want you to bring up GBP JPY. Namibia, Tacoma, Washington. What's up, Malaysia? Oh my God, everywhere. Hey, what's up, Ivan? Ivan, man, I'm starting to see you in here. You becoming a regular. Good old Ivan. Good old Ivan. Hey, bring up. I got my notes. Today. GBP JPY. All right, team. So I'm looking at placing a buy on GBP JPY for about 15 pips. That's what I'm looking at. I'm looking at a kill zone right in here. I'm looking at a kill zone right in here. Can y'all see that? If y'all can see my screen, let me know. Can y'all see that screen? Hey, if you on a squad, I need to see some TTP in the building. Do I got any family in the building? Do I got any family in the building? All right, perfect, perfect. Hey, y'all, let me know. Let me know if it's getting if the internet is acting up. Let me know, okay? No, I got audio. TTP in the building. Hey, if y'all don't know, that stands for Team Take Profits. We trying to take profits. All right, so I'm looking at a kill zone for GBP right up in this area. I got a white line on it. Oh crap. Now, okay, TTP, let's go. We got the squad in the building. Now let's go to this 4 hour. Let's see what we got on the 4 hour. Now the 4 hour on the stochastic is overextended, right? We got it overextended on this 4 hour. But I'm looking at possibly taking a buy from there. But we haven't reached it yet. I need some more confirmation. It might drop. You feel me? Like it could pause here and drop. Like look at this. Like we can literally like get up there and drop right off that friction zone. Like it could bust through there and drop right off. So now the overall we moving up on this 4 hour chart. Let me go to the daily. But then you can see if we can bust through that trend line, we're gonna be going up on the daily too though. You see, look at the daily stochastic curling down. Now I don't base my trades off of the stochastic, but it helped me gauge where I'm at in the market. The stochastic keep me honest. The trend is up, right? Don't go against the trend, right? That's the daily though. All right, Nissy, you holding a sell? Okay. Hey, first of all, we got to lay down some housekeeping rules. Any spamming in the inbox, you getting blocked. All right? Any spamming in the comment section, you got to get blocked. You're going to get blocked. So no spamming. All right? And you got to trade at your own risk. I'm not telling you to buy or sell. I'm not doing that. The CFTC can come down on me. YouTube can come down on me. So I'm not doing that. Trade at your own risk. I'm looking at trade ideas. All right? And then you make your decision. I'm doing what I'm doing, and you got to do what you got to do. All right, so that's what we're looking at. So, shout out to London. Happy birthday, John Gordon. John Gordon says it's his birthday. Happy birthday. Love to Jay. Love from Jay Wayne. Happy birthday, man. All right, so let's go to this 4-hour chart. Let me see here. Now, right about now, guys, I like to look at my heat wave. Let me check my heat wave out. Go check out the currency heat wave if you got it. All right. Yeah, so some people holding a sell. I mean, I could see why some people are holding a sell. You know, but it could easily break through there and shoot up. Because, like, we're on a 4-hour chart and we're above the 50 moving average. All right, we're above the 50 moving average. So if we're above the 50 moving average, I'm looking in the buyer's market. I'm looking for buys. But I'm just not looking at the 50 moving average and looking if the candle's on top of it without looking at structure. All right. All right. So don't just look at indicators and not look at the structure of the market. Excuse me. So I'm looking at, okay, well, price is above the 50. And when price is above the 50, I mean, go back and look. When price breaks above the 50, we're looking in a buyer's market, right? A buyer's market. But you got to look at structure as well. So that's what we're waiting for. Let's take a look at gold. What are we looking at with gold? A huge spike to the left was brutal. What spike? Oh, this right here. You talking about this spike right here? Yeah, that was crazy. Look at all of that. Oh my God. Look at this spike. Yeah, I mean, gold is dropping. gold dropped hard. I hope you move up your stop loss. That junk crazy. You see why I trade. Look at all of this. This is why I trade the way I trade, guys. I'm a day trader. I don't be in for all of this craziness. I'm not a swing trader. I'm in and out. Let me look at so I'm looking write this down, team. 140.180. If I was to buy, I would buy in that area, okay? 140.180. That's where I will buy at. Yeah, I'm not a scalper. I'm a day trader. So I'm looking to catch about 40 pips. I don't trade news, killer. I don't trade news. They said they want to do NFP live. I don't trade news. Let's take a look at gold here. Let me see here. Let me see. Yeah, look at the drop on gold. I don't trade no silver. How many pips is that? 234 pips. $234. So where you think we going now with gold? What up, Lee? Lee, what up? What's the next move on gold, team? Some people would say this a big old head compared to these left shoulders over here. We might bounce up. Some people said that. I say look at that, team. Look at that right there, though. I say look at all of that structure it got to fight through. Look at all of that structure. So if it does come up, if gold does come up, all right, we possibly come up in this area, right? Possibly drop off back to this area down here. It's not that hard. All right? Or if it does, let's say gold does shoot up. Let's say gold shoots up. Well, I'm going to pull out a fib on it. I will sell from that area again. So I will have limit orders waiting in here. That's how I would do gold. But I got a short-term goal in mind too. I got a short-term plan. And I'm waiting for it to play out. And then I'll tell y'all once it get closer to what I'm looking for. So now look at this. Let me show y'all something. Let me show y'all something here. So in 22 minutes, we got alt coming up. In 22 minutes. High impact news on on Australian dollar. All right. So since we got all news coming up, I'm not looking at GBP odd because I don't trade news. All right. Now let me go to this 15-minute. Pull out these Bollinger Bands. Let me go to this 5-minute chart. Anybody know my 10 pip a day strategy? 10 pips a day. It didn't meet the criteria. It got to close outside the band, close inside. It didn't do that though. So I'm going to have to wait on that. Now, what I usually do at this point is I'm gonna come back to my heat wave. Check it out. So right now, nothing is to do. Nothing. You don't do anything right now. There's nothing to do right now. You have to be patient. Be patient right now. All right. So, right. The ten pip a day strategy is on YouTube. So, just look up 10 pips a day. But what I'm looking for is on a 5-minute chart, on like a GBP AUD or a GBP USD, EUR USD. I'm looking for on a 5-minute chart when price closes outside the Bollinger Band, the stochastic curling down, and you take the sell as it closes inside. All right, that's all. But you can check that out. But I'm not doing that right now. William, it's odd. Major news on odd. It is major news today on odd. In 22 minutes. Now, if you've been on my live session, if you guys been on my live session, we wait very patient. We wait very patient for our rules to be met, for our confirmations. I'm not jumping in anything just because somebody says buy something in the group chat. I don't care nothing about that. All right. Wait very patient for our trade setups to be hit. All right. Rules save lives. Rules save lives. So stick to the rules. Don't jump on something just because somebody say jump on it. I'm not into that. Rules save lives. Let me check out this gold though. That gold sale not looking too good, not looking too bad. What happens is with the Bollinger Bands is squeezing, and you could potentially have a breakout, but you just can't trade like that. You got to have other things you're looking at. But as you know, gold fakes you out real quick, so. Yep, rules save accounts for sure. So we still waiting. I'll keep you updated on gold. Since do everybody know what we waiting for? Do everybody know what we're waiting for with GBP JPY? Do we know our zones that we're waiting for? 140.180. And I'm looking to buy in that area. Yeah, that's all I trade is GBP. I don't trade anything else. I don't trade anything else. It's not worth my time. It's not worth my time. What we're waiting for is 140.180. We're looking for a kill zone and for a buy in that area. And we're looking for about 15 pips. 15, 20 pips minimum. Minimum. We may get more. It all depends on what the market gives us this morning. It all depends. If you want to look at news, you get it on my FX book. So since we know what we're waiting for and nothing is happening, if you have any questions, I'll be willing to help you. You can comment below if you got any questions. I'm gonna go over to the harmonic scanner. Let's see. Let's take a look at the harmonic scanner. Oh man, let me see something here. No, the kill. Somebody said, "What is the kill zone?" The kill zone is just where. Oh man, what is going on here? Oh, is that down? I guess that's down. The kill zone is where I'm just looking to take where I'm looking to take an entry. That's where I'm personally. You got to trade at your own risk. I'm not telling you what to do, but that's the area that I'm looking in. And so I'm just trading. I'm just trading normally, and I'm just letting you guys in on what I do. Des said, "Do I just trade GBP JPY only?" No, 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 no. So if you look at my videos, how do I find trade setups? I basically find what is the most attractive pair. All right, the most attractive pair, and right now nothing looks attractive to me. All right, because look at this. Let's go to GBP odd. GBP odd already dropped. So what I'm gonna do with that? You feel me? What I'm gonna do with GBP odd? That already dropped already. All right, so I can't really do nothing with GBP odd, and plus you got news coming up in a second. So that really doesn't fit my trading style. It may fit your trading style, but it doesn't fit mine's. And I'm not trading your trading style, I'm trading mine. So that doesn't fit. And then look at GBP CAD. Now GBP CAD is a possibility. GBP CAD is a possibility, but it just didn't. The structure didn't look right to me. The structure for GBP CAD, it's okay, but it's not ready for me. It's not ready. Yeah, this week is out of whack. Holidays plus heavy U.S. news almost all week. I feel you. I feel you. Like, that's how I feel right now. I feel like the market is like, it's not really where I like it to be. It's not where I'm used to seeing it. But I'm still going to show up to the market and find something, you know. And if there's no trade, there's no trade. I'm not going to force it. GBP USD. Let's see what that looks like. That don't look too bad. GBP USD don't look too bad. Actually, GBP don't look bad at all. No, I'm not trading a Singapore dollar. SGD. I don't trade that. Why would I trade all CAD in London? You feel me, Lewis? Why would you trade all CAD during London? That's a waste of my time. It's not gonna move like it could move during its sessions. That's not this session. Yeah, the scanner work. You got to learn how to use it. The harmonic scanner. So that's GBP USD. And then look at GBP USD. Don't look bad. That really don't look bad, to be honest with you. GBP NZD. We already took a trade on that yesterday. We won on GBP NZD and GBP AUD yesterday. Yeah, hey, rise above, man. I feel like the markets is just not where I want it to be this week. Now, I made profits yesterday, but barely. I barely made profits yesterday. It was rough. Yeah, I don't. I mean, if hey Lewis is if all cat is working for you, cool, man. I don't trade that. You gotta wait all day for 30 pips and so forth. You just gotta trade the way you trade. You know, I don't really trade like that. But I'm not gonna down you for trading all cat. No, 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 no. You got get any money the way you can. You know, that's just not for me. Hey, let me see if my partner is up right quick. 1 second. Let me get my sidekick. Let me see if my sidekick is up. Oh man, where you at? See, people always saying they gonna be up. See. Oh, what Lewis? Somebody said chill, Lewis. What Lewis doing? Lewis cutting up. What? Lewis said check it. I mean, I'll check it. You gotta do the super chat. I'll check any chart you guys want me to check. But just know when you're having me check other charts, you're taking me away from my charts. So if you want me to check a chart, that's fine. Just donate to the super chat. Yep. Also, we know what we're waiting for, and it hasn't hit our kill zone area. So also, team, if you guys want me to critique your charts on TradingView, watch this. On TradingView, you can mark up your charts, and then you can hit this button right here, this little screenshot, and then you can copy your chart and paste it into the comment section, and then I can bring it up and critique it for you. So I think that's like a fun thing I can help you with, and you guys can learn from that. Lewis, no, you're not harming my style, man. You good. You good. I just gotta stay disciplined to my rules. Let me go through the comments. What questions do we have? We're waiting for this area right here for a buy. If it's gonna be a buy, it might not be a buy, and then we have to sell, or I have to sell. You trade at your own risk. Hey Lewis, what are you talking about? A click away? Oh my God, really? Donate to the super chat. I click it fast in a hurry. Other than that, I'm done. But no, you good, man. No hard feelings, bro. We just on YouTube chilling, bro. Trying to find some trades. You know what I'm saying? I ain't worried about that. I know how the YouTubers be. I know how the trollers be. I don't worry about it. How about GBP SGD? Serious question. Ever use AI? Okay, so Keeler said, have I used AIs? So my take on AIs, if anybody don't know what an AI is, it's artificial intelligence. And so my take on AI is, actually I tried it once. All right, I tried it once. Let's have this serious right here. I tried an AI once, and I had the worst experience in my life. All right, I had the worst experience in my life. Why is that? Because look, first of all, I don't have control. I want to learn how to trade. All right, how many people do you see keep getting scammed? Because they trying to have people trade for them, or they trying to have people manage their accounts over in another country, and then they have them send them Bitcoin or whatever, and then they lose their money. Why are you trying to skip the process? Why are you trying to, like, I don't know, especially like if you're too busy and you can't trade on your own, then I can kind of see, but you shouldn't be sending no money, no Bitcoin to people and have them from a whole nother country, people you can't even see, people you can't even talk to on the phone. You can't, like, you should be able to do a video chat with them. You feel me? So people getting scammed all the time because they're trying to shortcut, or they're not trying to go through the proper way of doing it. Now, I tried to do an AI system, and it was so much work involved. Every week I had to change what pair I was looking at. I'm saying, if I gotta go into the back system and change what pair I'm looking at, like, why do I gotta do all that? And you had to do it according to news. You had to, if it was news coming out, I had to change it. And so I had to go into this VPN and do all of this other stuff. And oh man, it was crazy. Yeah, so yeah, as in robots. You got robots trading for you. So it was just too much. I was like, man, I can just do this myself. I'd rather just do this myself and learn how to trade. But isn't that, I feel like that's where the real money is. Learn how to do this yourself. Oh yeah, see, Nerib X, he said he talked to somebody and they wouldn't even get on the phone. Man, they be playing games. Yeah. So I'm good. I'm not messing with no I'm not messing with no AIs. I'm done with that. I'd rather just trade it on my own. And then I ain't gonna even say the company's name. I should. They took my money too. They took my money. I had signed up with them. I should hey, I should tell who it is. Should I tell who it is? They so dirty. They took my money, but you know what? I ain't gonna even do it. I ain't gonna even do it. They system charged me, and I said, "Hey guys, I canceled. Give me my money back. Give me my money back." And they ignored me for like a week, and then when they finally got a hold to me, they said, "Well, we'll PayPal you the money." I messaged them 30 times, literally. I messaged them 30 times, and they would not give me back my $205. So should I expose them? Oh, I don't want to do it. uh, hey, all I say is the end of their name start with pros. The end of their name start with pros. That's all I'm gonna say. The end of their names ends with pros. So no, and these was people right here in the US. People I knew that I thought was friends. Man. Skip them. Skip them, man. That junk is bull crap. All right, let's get back to the charts. Let's get back to the money. All right, GBP, let me see. We got gold. Yeah, everything. Now, here's the thing, team. London. No, it's not Elgo Pro. It's not them. It's not FX Pro. Something Market Pro. Oh, I might as well just say the whole name now. Something Market Pro. Something Market Pro. But anyway, I was gonna move our YouTube live session to 3 o'clock. I was gonna move it to 3 o'clock just so we won't be sitting here waiting for the market to move. Cause London banks aren't even open yet. Yeah, so London, y'all funny. YouTube is the greatest investigators of all time. Can we agree on that? I give YouTube the greatest investigators of all time. Marlon said, "Yeah, it is. I'm telling you." What is your baseline? What do you mean? What is my baseline? What do you mean baseline? I don't know what a baseline is. All right, team. So yeah. So what I was saying was, London, because of daylight savings time, London opens at 4 a.m. So for the rest of the year, it's gonna open at 4 a.m. Should we move our YouTube London sessions to 3 a.m. so we can actually see some movement, like how we've been doing it? What do y'all think? Yeah, they scam me for real. And then on top of that, real quick, story time. On top of that, I did a what is it called? Like a Zoom. I did a Zoom session with them. And right in the middle, as they was walking me through, trying to set up my VPN and set up everything like how it's supposed to, they cut the end. They cut the Zoom session, and I could not get a hold of anybody, and I had to pay for that. So they didn't even fully set me up. All right. So what we want to do? Can let me see. Can you do a poll in this group? Let me see. 3 a.m. Do we want to move to 3 a.m. Eastern time or keep it at 2 a.m.? 3 a.m. Eastern or 2 a.m. Eastern. All right, so keep it at 2 a.m. Okay. Now the reason I know it's gonna be mixed, but I'm gonna take what majority says. Now the reason why I kept it at 2 a.m. because you never just all of a sudden change times. We've been doing this at 2 a.m. So I'm gonna stick with it if you guys gonna stick with me. Everybody saying 3 a.m., 2:30. Yeah, London doesn't open until 4 a.m. now. Oh, London will be back to 3 a.m. on Sunday. Got you. Yeah. Yeah. See. Okay. 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 Cool. Then we just gonna stick to 2 a.m. team. We just gotta stick it out. We just gotta stick it out. I'm woke. I'm here making. I'm trying to make some money. We just gotta stick it out. All right. So let's keep it at 2 a.m. We good. Okay. Okay. Thanks, Robert. I appreciate Robert in the chat. And by the way, Robert Rivera, definitely check him out. He's the beginner educator on my team. Robert Rivera, shout out to you. Where you at? Post TTP in the group so they know who you is. He's the beginner educator on the team. He trained all the beginners. So if you come in and you join the team and you want mentorship, he's the beginner educator. Paul Ryan, I only do this on Tuesdays. Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday is only exclusive to the people that's on my team. That's it. But I wanna give to my YouTube family. So I'm figured Tuesdays usually is a really good day to trade if you can stay woke and hang in there. So I'm doing this for you guys on Tuesdays. All right. So let me check out some things. Let's get back focused, team. I'm done answering questions. I'm done talking about them scammers that took my little $200. Let's get back to the money. Let's make that $200 up this morning. All right, so today we always looking at the Martin stochastic. That's my baby, you know that. But I'm looking at these Martin auto trend lines. Looking at these auto trend lines here. And what do we have? Let's go to the 4-hour. Let's see what we got on the 4-hour. So price broke this trend line, but it's just traveling back up, testing this trend line. And this is an inner trend line. And you see that green one right there? That green one is the outer trend line. So if we break this trend line, it's a high chance that we will test the outer trend line. All right? We would test the outer trend line. So if we can get a push and actually break, and this is going to take time too. This is not going to happen right now. This is the 4-hour chart. But if we break this trend line, retest, price likes to, once it breaks the inner trend line, it likes to test the outer trend line. It happens over and over and over. Now from here, it still could drop. It still could drop. But I'm just saying those are some short-term opportunities. All right? These could be some short-term opportunities. Now let's go down to the 1-hour. And you can see where I get my trend line from. I got my trend line from more of this 1-hour chart. Can y'all see that? Somebody said that's a lot of indicators. I mean, you just do you only use how many indicators you need. Yeah, just do whatever indicators you need. I just do my thing and then you got to do your thing. Let me see. Everybody got their own way of trading and everything, so hold on, team. Right, one second here. If you want any other Martin indicators, then just go to this link right here. Hold on, team. All right, I post the link in the chat. All right, let's see here. Hey, we almost there, man. It's trying to push for us. Right now, the market is just going back and forth. Now, here's the thing. That's a good Blink Solutions. The person in the group called Blink Solutions, they said that GBP has the same type of move on GBP CAD. And pretty much all the GBP pairs is going to be the same. They're all moving the same. Except odd. Odd is the only one that's moving different. Odd is the only one that looks different. Let me take these things off. Odd is the only one that looks different. Can y'all notice that? Like, look at GBP odd. All right, that's GBP odd. Look at JPY. Look how different that is. Look at CAD. Same thing. Look at GBP USD. See how they all look the same? But why is odd looking different? There's the link. Why is odd looking different? You see? Do you see? Yeah, there's the link is in my description, guys. Go to my description. Do you see why I'm not trading odd this morning? Because it's high impact news waiting for odd. I'm not messing with it. And whenever you have high impact news on something, it kind of stalls out until news happens. And there might be some other things going on too. I don't know nothing about it. But yeah, Martin Indicators is only on TradingView. Yeah. Wayne said news. I don't trade US 30. Yeah, Wayne said news. So you see what I'm saying? Like, that's when I'm looking for my trade setups, I look at those things. I look at news. I look at what is the most beautiful setup? What is the best looking setup I can find for the morning? And all was not it. And I'm thinking that it wasn't it because news was happening. It's like the calm before the storm. My take on US 30 is you need to at least have $2,000 in your trading account to trade US 30. Other than that, don't mess with it. How does it move? I don't even trade it. I never traded US 30 in my life. I did it on demo. I traded US 30 on demo and just to know how it moves and what the lot sizes are. But other than that, I don't know nothing about it. So Amar Kumar said it seems to be factored in. All right. While we're looking at this trade, they said it seems to be factored in. That is a very powerful statement, Amar. Because they factor in news and the possibilities into the currency, into the currency rate. It's all rigged. It's all rigged. They factor that stuff in. So that just gives me more confirmation for me to trade the way I trade. You know what I mean? I don't ask for much. I get in and I get out. I look at them supply and demand zone levels, and I'm in and I'm out of there. If I see prices at an institutional level, I'll take that. But other than that, I'm not holding these trades like that. I'm in and out until price get to one of those, daily or 4-hour institutional levels with supply and demand, and then I possibly hold it then. Until then, I'm always day trading in the middle of these structures, or not in the middle of the structures, but at the structure levels. I'm not holding them trades that long. All right, let me go check my heat wave. Let me stop talking so much. Hold on. All right, we got to hold on just a little bit more. It's not time yet. It's not time yet. It's almost time, but it's not time yet. All right. I'm thinking, let me see, 15 pips from here. 15 pips from here is up at the trend line. I prefer LQDFX. That's who I'm with, Keller. I don't trade no US brokers. The spreads be too high and they don't give you enough leverage. So I don't trade US brokers. Is there a good way to keep track of upcoming news? So cashed out. You want to get my MFX book or forexfactory.com. Keep track of news that way. But my FX book is a good way to keep track of news. Yup. Thanks, Marlon. All right, it's time to focus. It's time to focus. Let me go to this 4-hour chart. Yeah, this thing could easily just push up here and drop. So I'm thinking like, man, if I even take this buy, I'm in and out of this. I don't scalp, but this literally would be like a scalp. And it's like what, 2 hours left for this 4-hour candle. This would be like a scalp all day. It's like, yeah, at a pivot, you might want to just be careful with that. If I get in on that, I'm gonna be on this lower time frame looking to get in and get out. We gotta be patient. We gotta be patient. Brazil, what's up? GBP no, I don't have no signal for buy. All right, let's take a look at gold. I'm on that gold. Let me see. What we looking at? I'm looking at the dollar index to compare it with gold. So that's what I'm looking at right now. I'm looking at gold. I mean, this is the dollar index. So I'm trying to compare it with gold. Shout out to Dallas. I love Dallas. Man, that dollar drop off. If that dollar drop off, we in there. That dollar drop off. People saying that gold is a buy. Like gold is a buy just because you see two candles going up? Is that why gold is a buy? Is that why gold is a buy? To me, that's not a buy yet. But you might be scalping on like a 5-minute chart, so that's probably why. Yeah, gold is not a buy for me yet. I'm not missing GBP. I'm on it. I'm on it, baby. Check all USD. Positive correlation. Yep, I do that too. I check the odd, yes sir. I also check JPY too. JPY. Yeah. So it's nothing yet. Let me see. Let me read some comments. We got any questions? So let me see. When I bring up these Bollinger Bands, all I'm looking at is this. I'm looking at the overall structure of the market, but I'm looking at where is it at in the Bollinger Bands? Because anything that's at the top of the Bollinger Bands, it want to come back down to the middle. So that's how I look at it, and it all depends on what time frame you're looking at it. So like this is the hour, right? This Bollinger Band is already coming back to the middle. If we break the middle Bollinger Band, you know, depending on where we at in structure, I might take a sell on it for about 15 pips. But I'm also looking at its price above this 50 moving average too, because that's telling me I'm looking for buys as well. So it's just some things that you have to look at, you know, some things that I look at. But overall, I'm like, this is what I'm looking at. Overall, I'm looking at the market as a whole, structure. I'm looking at structured levels. The indicators is just a little bit of confirmation, but other than that, I'm looking at structured levels. EURR dropping heavy. Man. 65 pip drop? Man, that was an easy catch too. Pull out the fib on that. 38.2 drop. No, I don't swing like 150 pips. I did that one time. Other than that, I ain't done it since. Look at these fib levels getting hit though. Look at that. Price come down, drop around that golden zone. I need to start. Hey, hey, I don't know how to say his name, but he said that's not how you draw fibs. How you gonna tell me how to draw fibs? How you gonna tell me how to draw fibs? It make me money. Like, isn't that what it's about? Everybody do stuff different. I ain't about to get into that. If you a trader, you already know everybody got their own way of trading. So ain't no sense of telling somebody they doing something wrong. Unless they over leveraging and all that dumb stuff. It's thousands of strategies. And they all work. I ain't gonna say they all work, but a lot of them work. You just gotta stick to it. So ain't no sense of telling somebody that they stuff ain't right. If they know how to use it, you just don't know how to use it the way they use it. No, I don't mess with crypto. I don't mess with crypto. Also, we got some couple videos coming out this week. Couple videos coming out this week. We got a Q&A. I'm finna answer a lot of y'all questions that y'all been messaging me. I'm finna answer a lot of those on a Q&A this week. Coming Thursday. So be watching out for that. Now my leverage, Keller, is 1 to 300. My take on leverage is get the most leverage as you can get, but don't use it all. But it's good to have it. Get the most leverage as you can get, but don't use it all. Now look at these candles. Y'all see this price action right here? Look at this price action right here. Look at these candles, how they forming. Pay attention to that on the 1 hour chart. Look at gold. Look at these candles. Look at how they forming. Look at how these candles is forming. It's nothing. We just gotta sit and wait. It's nothing to do. We gotta wait. Cause the London banks is not even open yet, but they about to be. As soon as you close your laptop, y'all already know. As soon as you close your laptop and say ain't nothing happening, that boy take off. How many know? That boy take off. Standard Trader said, "Can I share my trading plan?" Anybody bashing anybody in the group chat, you gotta get blocked. You gotta get blocked. Cause ain't no sense of having negativity this early in the morning. Around early in the morning is how you start your day. And there's no need to start your day with negativity. So if you negative in the group chat, I gotta block you. Cause there's no need. It's about building your day up with positivity. I'm sacrificing my time and my day not to deal with negativity. All right. So let's talk about these stop losses. So a lot of people in here, if we were to take a buy in this area, if I was to take a buy in this area, my stop loss would have to be below this low right here. This would have to be my stop loss. Because it's below the structure level right here. This would have to be my stop loss. And then I would be looking to take a buy up to this level right here. Somewhere up in here. And you have to count the pips. Count the pips on this. So if it's a lot of pips, you got to lower the lot size. So that's 26 pips. Hold on. I got to go higher. That's 30 pips. So that's a normal stop loss, right? That'll be a normal stop loss area. 30 by 30 pips. All right. And that's usually about how much we make, is about 30 pips back. So that'll be like a 101. Yeah, offshore broker. I don't have those problems. I withdraw about 6,000, 9,000, whatever. It doesn't matter. I have not had any problems with my brokers withdrawing money. So I've done it over and over. I got videos of me. It's not a secret. I got videos of me. You see, I don't have any problems, and I withdrew big. Not millions of dollars, but because I don't have millions of dollars, but thousands of dollars. I withdrawn thousands of dollars. All right, it's no big deal. I haven't had no problems like that. Yeah, Hugo's way. My broker is LQDFX. Hugo's way has been activating people's orders without and closing trades out without letting them know. So many people I know been saying that. So be careful with that. All right, I just dropped the link. Everybody got their own opinion. I'm just telling you what's my opinion. Yeah, a lot of slippage too. A lot of slippage too. All right. So, if you want the right link, I just put it in the group chat. I'm only telling you what has been working for me and my team. That's all. Shout out to Rakan for joining the team. Rakan just joined the team. Let's make this money. All right, so that's the stop loss for that. Now, so let me show you how this works. So if you was to take a buy right here, let's say you took a buy right here. Let's say you took an entry right here. Where would your stop loss be? All right, where would your stop loss be? All right. If you took a buy right here, where would your stop loss be? It has to be below the low. I will have to put my stop loss down here. If I was to take a buy, this buy right here, let's say I got into this buy or something, I would have to, I don't know, I'm just looking at it in hindsight. But if I was to get into this buy, I would have to put my stop loss below here. You got these stop hunts and all of that stuff. I would have to put it down here. All right. For an example, man, look at this. This market's been tripping. Do y'all get how this works? How you gonna put the stop loss? So get in at the right entry in your risk. Now let's say for an example, a lot of people get into this trade right here and they sell, right? So let's say you got into a sell right about up in here. And you took this sell. All right? Let's say you took this sell. All right? Let's say you took that sell. You don't want to get out if you get is how many you don't want to get out this trade and try to jump back in. All right? You don't want to get out the trade like you up what 20 30 pips. Let's say you up 40 pips and you get out the trade, or you up 20 pips, you get out the trade. and then you get back in. That's the worst thing you can do, because now your stop loss is up here. Your stop loss is up here. When you get out the trade, you reset. Your entry was right here. This is me helping out all my beginners on here. Everybody that's been doing this, they already know about this. All right. So let's say your entry is here. You take the trade, take profit down here. This is what beginners love to do. They catch, they profit and close it and get back in for a sell because they see it keep dropping. Don't do that, because now your risk is greater now. Your risk was, let's see, your risk was 37 pips, but now you get back in for another sale, and now your risk is even greater because you hopped out. Now it's 72 pips. So you basically lost your dropping. At least move your stop loss up in profit. Move your stop loss up in profit. All right? Because believe it or not, it's a lot of new people on here, and I'm just trying to give y'all some game while we waiting, because ain't nothing happening right now. All right? So that's what you want to do. You want to move your stop loss up in profit. All right? Kimball Roberts said he appreciate the knowledge. So at least move your stop loss to break even, at least. All right? Or take partial, move the stop loss up in profit and take partial profits away. And then possibly let it run. Now, if you want to get back into the trade, then you got to wait for a pullback. You got to wait for a pullback. All right? Belay said, what is a stop hunt? What is a stop hunt? A stop hunt is like a stupid wick comes all the way up to stop you. It's just a stupid wick, like something like this. You see this wick right here? Something like this would be a stop hunt. Just a stupid wick out of nowhere comes all the way down, take sellers out, and come right back up. Like stuff like that. Like just crazy like this. Yeah, all right, Julio. Yeah, it's been a slow week, man. Hold on, y'all. All right, so that's a stop hunt. Hey, I keep getting messages from Daniel White being very negative in the group, man. You might as well just go somewhere with that. Dan, what's your question, Dan? All right. So the question is, when you close a trade, do it take half of your lot size? Yes. Yeah, when you take partial profits, away, it take half of your lot size. It all depends. It all depends. Like if you take half, like if you take a dollar lot, if you take out a dollar lot size, all right, you take out a dollar lot size. What's half of a dollar? 50 cent. So if you take half away, it's going to leave you with 50-cent lot size in the market, still trading. All right. I don't see Daniel. I blocked him. He need to go though. I don't like all that negativity, man. You gotta go on with that. I blocked Daniel White. All right, let's go back and see what's going on with the charts. Yeah, you see, like nothing is happening. It's still in the same spot. Do y'all see what I'm talking about? Gustavo said, "What's my process on my taxes?" I mean, you want to know how I personally pay taxes because I can't give you any advice, legal advice on taxes because it's different. It's different in every state. So I can't really give you advices on taxes. All I can say is pay your taxes. At least pay 20% on your taxes or whatever. I mean, on your profits or whatever you withdraw, but you got to figure out what's going on in your country. Already reported Daniel. I don't see him. There's always a troll in the group. But do y'all see? So we was right here, and nothing is happening with GBP JPY. Nothing is happening with none of them. GBP cash still in the same spot. Gold still in the same spot. You see what I'm saying? Nothing is happening. So we just have to be patient. If nothing moves, you don't do anything. You have to sit on your hands. 80% of this is mental, emotional. You getting tired, you got to go to bed then. Or stay up and be patient. But I'm just being patient. Yeah, I don't see him. I blocked him on mine. I don't see him. I don't see him, team. I will ignore him. Yeah, everybody else can see him. Man, I'm about to. Hey, Daniel, what? Why you so negative, man? Hold on, let me see. Oh, I see him. I see you. I see you in here, man, bro. What is you talking about in here? Nah, he gone. Bye bye, Daniel. Bye bye, player. I think I think the troll is gone. No, he was being negative. He was being negative. I don't got time for negative. I'm waking up. I'm waking up at 2 in the morning just for somebody to be negative towards me. I know there's YouTube and everything, but you gotta go, player. Yeah, I took Daniel off. He gone. Y'all don't even see him no more. Anyways, let's move on. Yeah, it's always got to be somebody. All right, what we looking at? What we looking at? All right, what's some more questions, y'all? Y'all got any more questions? Let's go through some training. What's going on here with GBP JPY? What's going on? PJPY for the sale. It's showing rejection. Hold on. All right, cool. So, I think we can catch about 5 pips. I think we can catch about, I mean, not 5 pips, about 10, 15 on GBP, JPY for the sale. Back down here. I think we can get it. You already know how the market fake you out, so you got to be quick with it. You already know. No, 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 no. No, Michael Cooper. I ain't take no buy. I said we can take the sale for about 10 pips. But you got to trade at your own risk. Gold, gold pushing up. Gold pushing up to that zone. All right, I'm about to when they get down to this bottom Bollinger Band, take profit right up in here in this Bollinger Band. It's about to hit the 50 moving average on the 30-minute chart. See that? So right about right up in here, you want to be taking profit on that. Gold is pushing up through a buy zone. I caught a couple pips on that. Couple pips on that. Not that much. Right when it hit that 50, it might wick out on you, so be careful on that. Yeah, just a little profit. See what I'm saying? As soon as it get down to that 50 moving average, you start seeing it wick out. All right. So now we got, let me see. You got gold pushing up. So right here I got GBP JPY over here and gold is over here. Now, yep. So what I'm looking for on gold, if it is a buy, if gold happens to be a buy, which I don't really think so, but if it happens to be a buy, I'm looking at 1494. 1494. All right, 1494 105. That would be my buy area. That's what I would be looking at. What's the difference between swing trading? So, hey, do y'all see why you got to take profit? I'm telling you, just a quick move, boom, be done with that. Be done with that. Soon as it hit, do you see why I got the 50 on my chart? That's why I got the 50 moving average on my chart. You see the reaction you get. So the best time frames to swing trade is gonna be, you want to be looking at the weekly. All right, for swing trading, you want to be on a weekly. You want to be on a monthly, weekly, and daily. You want to be doing analysis on the monthly, weekly, and daily. You want to enter on a 4-hour chart. Your entry is going to be the 4-hour chart. Maybe the 1 hour, maybe the 1 hour if you don't get too lost. But your entry is going to be like the 1 hour. Monthly, weekly, daily is your analysis. I don't use TD Ameritrade. I use MT4 and TradingView. No. Remember, I said if you took the sale with me on GBP JPY, I got out at the 50 moving average. As you can see, it bounced right off of it. That was just a quick move for a quick couple bucks. My Bollinger Band settings, screenshot it. That's my Bollinger Band settings, screenshot it. That's my Bollinger Band settings. 20 close, 2 and 0. $20 close, 2 and 0. 20 close, 2 and 0. That's my settings. Yeah, I mean all the GBP pairs is a drag this morning. All of them. None of them has went anywhere. All right, you want a broker? All right. Somebody is asking for a broker. That's my broker. I just dropped it in the group chat. All right. Wait for the trade setups. All right. Soon as you go to sleep, soon as you give up, you go back to the charts later on just to see what you were waiting for happened. And you have to learn how to set alerts, and you have to know how to just be patient. And so if it's a no trade day, it's a no trade day. We don't move the markets. We just are allowed to participate in the market. And if the market is not moving fast enough for you, then you need to get out the market because you don't move it. All right. You just have to know how to move with it. And so beginner traders that's on here, you have to be patient. I have a trade set up. I know what I'm looking for, and I have to be patient. If it is not met, then I do not trade. All right, let's get back to the charts. Yep. So yeah, I agree, man. The market is super slow, team. The market is super slow. Do y'all want to call it quits? You paid the one-on-one? Message me. Message me on Facebook and let's get that one-on-one. Let's get that one-on-one going. If you purchase one-on-one, let's get it. Message me, let's get it. Okay, y'all say y'all don't want to quit. Hey, as long as y'all want to stay on, I'm on. Y'all, this is what I do. As long as y'all want to stay on, I'm on. All right. Yeah, London is about to open. We might get a reverse. Look at that baby drop. Look at that baby drop. Hey, what's up, Brazil? Shout out to Brazil. My Facebook link. Hey, Bobby, I gotta message you after this. I can't focus on that right now, but I got you. Bobby, all my links is in the description below. So go to the description below. All my links is there. Message me. We can do the one-on-one. You pay for one-on-one, we gotta do it, all right? I just can't focus on that right now. All right, let's take a. I'm thinking about taking a breakout on this gold right here. That gold trade. I'm liking that gold right now. Hold on, let me see. Let me check my heat wave out. All right, that GBP JPY. Dep. All right, gold approaching the kill zone. Gold is approaching the kill zone. The market is white. The market is open. It's waking up. All right, let me read the comments. What we got? What we got going on? I'm not looking at GBP USD. GBP JPY and gold. GBP JPY and gold. GBP JPY and gold. GBP JPY, I'm looking to sell. Gold, I'm looking to buy. But this is... Y'all trade at y'all own risk. Y'all know that. Gotta give disclaimers. Callie, what's up? How am I able to trade with the spread from MT4 brokers and TradingView? I just focus on my broker. I don't worry about no other brokers. My spreads are good with my broker. All right, GBP JPY dropping nice for us. No, I took the breakout. They said am I waiting for a retest? I took the breakout. I just took the breakout, and when I take the breakout, I look for small pips, and then I wait for the retest. GBP JPY dropping, baby. A monster said in a minute or less, why should you join my team versus somebody else's? Is anybody else giving you free value like me? Is anybody else giving their time away and showing their trades on YouTube Live? That's all I got to say. There we go. There we go. Another profitable day. Y'all see it right before your eyes. Let's go. Beautiful. Now, y'all know when you get a big drop like this, it's gonna wick out. It's gonna pull back. So take profit and get out before it pulls all the way back on you, okay? Hey, if you made money, drop the money sign. Let's go. If you in profit, drop the money sign. Hey, y'all know my emojis. Let's go. Drop them. Drop them. All this money. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I see people, everybody making money. Let's go. So we had to wait till London open. Hey. I see that money going. Let's go. Let's go. Hey. Hey, I think we're well overdue, team. What y'all think?
Team take profits on the move. The movement is real. 50 pips a day. Watch the money drip. Pips pay my. Pips pay my bills. Pips pay my bills. Team take profits on the move. The movement is real. 50 pips a day. Watch the money drip. Pips pay my bills. Pips pay my bills. Pips pay my bills. Pips pay my bills.
Let's go. Let's go. All right, so look. Now here's the thing. Hold on. All right, gold is still going up for us. There we go. Take profits and go to bed. Take profits and go to bed. Let's go. TP on gold is 15, 20 pips minimum. Remember what I said. Remember what I said, Hassan. If you don't enter, your risk is bad. Your risk is bad. Don't do that. Y'all see gold? Let's go. Hey, don't be entering now. It's late. Look at that gold. Let's go, baby. If you haven't entered, you gotta wait for a pullback. All right, Dan. Good night. Good night. Hope you made some money with us. The TP on gold 1496.816. But the goal is 1520 pips. I took profit. You wanna go about 15 pips. 1520 pips. All right? 1520 pips, but it's like, but if you want to hold it, 1496.816. I don't know if you can buy EUR CAD. I'm not looking at that. We trade live in our group chat. We trade live in our group chat. We look at the trades together in the group chat. All right. So if you was a breakout trader, you should have taken profit. And now we have to wait for a retest. All right. If you're a breakout trader, you should be done with it. And now wait for a retest so we can hold for more pips. The breakout trade is to catch your 12 to 15 pips, make a couple $100, make $20, make it $2,000, catch that real quick, and then take profit because it's gonna pull back. It's gonna pull back. So after it pulls back, you can kind of gauge if you can find a re-entry to hold it for 30 pips. All right. My style is this. My style is more conservative. So I'm conservative in my entry, and then once I get my confirmations, I take like a bigger lot size. But it's still according to risk management. Like if I have 50,000, I'm taking a $50 lot size. If I have 50,000, I'm taking a $50 lot size. So like I got like about 60 something thousand in my trading account. I took a $50 lot size. All right, Marlon. $30 pips on GBP JPY. Let's go. Let's go. Until next time, bro. Peace. Yeah, I'll see you next Tuesday, man. Lord willing, I'll see you next Tuesday. Now, look, team, this is where the retest is happening. So now wait for the retest. We're waiting for the retest. Kelvin just said he made his first. Oh my God, thanks, man. Kelvin, what's up, baby? This your first time making profit? Hey, join the family. You part of the family now. Team Take Profits. Take profit for gold is 1496.816. 1496.816. 1496.816. I take 15, 20 pips. That's what I do. Hey, they said they made their first. Hey, let's go. Let's go. I'm loving all of this money, baby. Team Take Profits. Let's go. If you missed the original entry, catch the retest. It's retesting. You see the retest? It's retesting. That's what it's doing. It's retesting. Push green. There's my broker. Push green. Let's go. Hey, amen. You gotta take profit on breakout trades. You cannot hold these breakout trades. We're day trading. We're not swing trading. You can't hold them. You cannot hold them. All right? I only trade London session. If you want the mentorship, if you want mentorship and you want to join the team, then some people is asking about that. All right? Join the team right there. All right? That's where you join the team at. Get mentorship, tinteprofits.net. All right? If you want my trades, Monday, all right? Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, get the mentorship. I'll give you my trades. All right? It's in the description too. Back to the charts. So when it breaks out, I'm looking to take 12 to 15 pips. That's enough to change your life. All right? And then after a retest, then I'm looking to take 30. 30 between 30 and 60 pips. Calvin, PayPal. Click the link, PayPal. So let the retest happen, y'all. Be patient. Now look, yeah, breakouts take about 12 to 15 pips. GBP pairs. Once you get a retest at a structured level on GBP pairs, you can grab about 30, 60 pips easy. Michael Cooper, I do cover swing trading on the team. Yes, I got videos, all kind of tutorials on that. You got questions? I help the team out with that. Yes. One position. I don't. All you need is one position with 15 pips. Why don't over trade. Vance Murphy, do not over trade. Okay, you only need one position, 15 pips. You can take partial profits, let the other partial run. You don't need 5 positions with 15 pips. I take one position. One position. You're gonna. What if you lose? You gonna lose all 5 positions? Like, don't do that. Calvin, if you want a private session, book me on the website for one-on-one. Okay, and I'm open. We can work out a time. That's not a problem. You got to use all the time frames. But on a retest, I'm looking for a retest on the 15 or the 30-minute chart. Look for a retest on a 15 or 30-minute chart. A good lot size with a $500 account is 50 cent. With a $500 account, take a 50 cent lot size. Take a 50 cent lot size. Naweed said, if you join the mentorship, do you learn my strategy? Yeah, I basically tell you all my secrets. I basically tell you all my secrets. Yes, 0.05. Yes. Shout out to Ming Tong Dang. Ming Tong Dang just joined the team. I hope I said your name right. Shout out to Ming Tong Dang. Patrick, yes. If you wanna make money with us, potentially make money with us, you gotta join the team, right? You gotta join the mentorship. In other words, 0.05. Yes, if you have a $500 account, take a 0.05 lot size. If you have a $1,000 account, take a 0.10 lot size. All right. Now go to the 30-minute chart on GBP/JPY. Look how we got an engulfing candlestick. All right. Look how we got this engulfing candlestick. Now, I'm looking at how price respect this 50 moving average. See, on the 1 hour chart, we're still above the 50. You see what I'm saying? So we came down, we're still above the 50. You see, I'm looking at all time frames. Do not just look on a 15-minute chart. Do not just look on a 30-minute chart. Don't do that. Don't do that. You got to look at all time frames. Look at all time frames. All right? All that was a London open push. If you stick around, you're going to get the real move. You're going to get the real move. That's why I trade the way I trade. I get in and get out. Right. Yes, exactly, Neo. I'm hopping around on all time frames. See, look, on the 30-minute chart, it looks like an engulfing candle. And it is on the 30. But is the 30 more powerful than the 4 hour? What is happening on a 4 hour chart? Don't get lost in the sauce. All right. Shout out to Keller Gonzalez for joining the team. Keller Gonzalez just joined the team. Let's go. After this, I get y'all all set up. Don't worry about it. All right. So now London just opened. We have to be patient and see which way they're going. Yeah, when I trade breakouts, I scalp. When I trade breakouts, I scalp. All right. Yeah, when you join a team, you basically get all my secrets. Why do I only trade the London session? Because it moves the fastest. I make thousands of dollars in 3 hours. People have to work all week long to make that. I make that in. You can make a lot of money in a couple hours trading London. All the other sessions, and plus I've been practicing trading London for like 3 years now, so I'm gonna stick to what I know. Yes, you can join my mentorship if you're on another team. Yes. You can join my mentorship if you're on another team. My mentorship is not to take you away from another team. My mentorship is to help you if your team is not helping you. I will help you. I will be the help you need. If your team is helping you, then you don't need me. Keep it real. You don't need me. But if your team is not giving you the help that you need, then join my mentorship so you can get some help. Why be on a team that's not helping you? Um, Somebody said help free. I do help free. Go to my YouTube videos. All my YouTube videos are free to you. Nobody has to pay for my YouTube videos. They're free. That's free help. That's free help. Now, price is retesting. Do you see this candle we're getting? We're retesting, okay? London session is what we're in now. The London banks are open and they're trading and making money, all right? London session, baby. That's called, the red and green is called a 50 moving average. The SMA 50. Simple moving average is a 50. It's retesting. It's holding. It's holding. We might can get us a sell in. Let's go. Trade at your own risk. I ain't telling you what to do. You got to trade at your own risk. Trade what you see. I got it. I did the hard work for you. Trade what you see, team. Trade what you see. I'm not getting in trouble. Y'all ain't about to get me in trouble. Uh-oh, look like JPY dropping. Yes, sir. Come on, drop for us. Come on and drop for us. I'm talking to the charts like that work or something. Hey, Lachey said it's going to be a good day. It's going to be a good day. Yeah, JPY real strong. That's why you see it dropping. JPY real strong. Let's check something here. Let's check something. Facts. It's the trend line color change. That's the Martin trend line color change. Go into the description. It got all of my my indicators in there, and you get it. You get a discount on it. You get a discount on it. So, all right. Um, the take profit is 15-20 pips. All right. 15-20 pips is the take profit. The screen is blurry probably because of the Wi-Fi. I can't do nothing about it. I'm sorry, y'all. I can't do nothing about the screen if it's blurry. The retest is not 15 pips. The retest is not 15 pips. The retest is whatever pips it is. You just looking for a retest underneath the area. So basically our area was right here. And we're looking for price to stay within that area. We don't want price to come above this area. That's our retest area. All right. We don't want price coming above this area. We have to be careful. I can't tell you what to trade. Y'all already know. I cannot tell y'all what to do. What spreads do I have on GBP, JPY? I mean, somebody's asking me what spreads do I have. I got less than one. My spread is less than one. It's about a one. I got one spread. My spread is one on GBP. D Truth said, how often do I do these live streams? I do them around Tuesdays. Tuesdays at 2 p.m. I mean 2 a.m. 2 a.m. Eastern. Tuesday. I trade on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Oh, I forgot to put it on latency. Oh man. If my screen is off, y'all, I forgot to put it on low latency. Oh man, I'm sorry, y'all. I can't even change it because I'm in the middle of a live. Sorry, team. Do I still work a job? No. I do not work a job. The only job I work is waking up for London and trading. The only job I work is I trade with the ECN account. I trade with the ECN account. Have I traded with bad weeks? I have had bad weeks. I definitely had, well, not a bad week, but I had a bad day or two. I haven't. It was a time where we didn't lose one trade in a month. We did not lose one trade in 2 months. Ask people on the team in my line. It was a time where we did not lose one trade in 2 months. Trading the way I trade. Um, the Yeah, I use stop loss. Yes. I built my account up to like 30, what, about 30,000 before I quit my job. If you want trades for the rest of the week, I just dropped the link to the mentorship. All right, team. So after a big push like this, now price is the market's starting to slow down. Just be patient. It's gonna move again. You just gotta be patient. You just have to be patient. Yep. Yeah, it's no secret. It's no secret. I document everything on YouTube. So just check out all my stuff. Um, Check out all my stuff on YouTube. Everything is there. Oh, Charvet said this is her first month in Forex. Okay. Okay. Hey, welcome to this trading world. Welcome. to this trading journey. I hope that I can help you along your journey, Charvet. Charvet Lachey, welcome. Yeah, honestly though, I don't really the things that I share on YouTube, Robert, I don't really share to get people's approval or if they believe me or not. A lot of this is just documenting my journey. Because if I can help one or two people, that's what I'm doing it for. I already know you got naysayers, Robert. I already know that. I'm not doing it for them or for their approval, but just to document my journey. That's all. Hey, Charvet, I've been trading for 3 years. I had a good mentor. That's what I'm saying. Like I had a really, really good mentor. A really, really good mentor. And I studied 4 hours a day. I studied 4 hours a day. The gold entry was that white line. Hey y'all, hold on 1 second. I gotta step away, y'all. 1 second. Pips pay my bills. Pips pay my bills. 50 pips a day, watch the money drip. 50 pips a day, watch the money drip. Pips pay my bills. You do it for promotion. Do I do what for promotion? A is better to compound and count or do withdrawal or do regular withdrawal. It all depends what your goal is. So in the beginning, I compounded my account. In the beginning, compound, compound, compound. And then when you get your account big enough, you can start withdrawing on it. But you need to constantly keep making that money back. No. Nui, you don't need to purchase the Martin indicators for my strategy. It does help, but you don't need to. You don't need to. But it definitely does help though. The way that I use them. Somebody said, "What is my broker?" I just put my broker in there. All right, so what we got going on here? 2 minutes left. 2 minutes left. Let's see what happens. The period of the MA is 50. I have a 50 moving average. 50. My moving average is 50. And I got it color coded. Yeah, I don't trade IC markets. I trade. The question is, what do I use? What do I think about the RSI? The RSI I use for divergence. I use the RSI for divergence. The RSI is really, really good. If y'all want me to give a video on divergence, do anybody know what that is? That's how I use the that's how I use it. The RSI for divergence. A Jordan said, "How quick are my withdrawals? It takes me 1 day to receive all my money. It takes me 1 day to receive all of the funds." Yeah, I can do a video on the RSI for sure. I just don't want to make videos that you guys don't want to see. So if you guys like that, I could do a video on RSI. Yeah. All right. So hey, I can drop that video on Thursday. Y'all want me to drop it on Thursday? I can drop that video out on Thursday. We can get right to it, no delay. We can get right to it, no delay. If you want it on Thursday, drop Thursday in there. I'll do it. It's all about supply and demand. It's all about supply and demand. So if you want it, drop a Thursday. Hey, you trade too much. Hey, you trade too much when everything comes back to Forex terms. I'm talking about supply and demand. Hey, that's facts though. All right, Thursday team, I'm dropping a video on RSI. Divergence. How to use the RSI and divergence. Thursday, let's get it. And I got a basketball game on Saturday. Let's go. That white line is my buy zone for gold. That white line. That's my buy zone for gold. Yeah. I trade with my team Monday through Thursday. Monday through Thursday, I trade with my team and they get my trades. My team gets my trades. My team gets all my secrets. I give away all my secrets to my team. But you want to know why I give all my secrets to my team? Because they sacrifice. They sacrifice. If you willing to sacrifice, I'm willing to show you some things. No, I don't trade NFP. I don't trade news at all. I don't trade news at all. How much time do I have trading? 3.5 years. Three years and some months. 3 years and some months trading. Putting in hours. I studied in the beginning. I studied 4 hours a day. Right now, I study like an hour a day. An hour a day. I don't trade volume spread analysis. I don't know if I need to do that. That's not required for my strategy. Um Timmy said when he joined my team, do we get my trades? Yes, you get my trade setups. I don't send signals. Signals only help people stay lazy. They don't teach signals don't teach you how to trade. My trade setups will teach you how to trade. Jamaica in the building. What's going on, baby? Jamaica's in the building. Yeah, you can never stop learning, team. Never stop learning. Always study. Always study. It's always something to learn in this market. And when you learn all your strategy and technicals, then you have to learn how to change your mindset. You have to learn how to manage the emotions and the mindset. All right? And stay away from that greed spirit. Signals make you lazy. All right? Study. Learn how to do this yourself. Forget an AI system. Forget people managing your money. Get mentored and learn how to trade for yourself. Kingston, Jamaica, what's going on? Focus on TJ. You lost 500, bro. Dang. How did you lose 500? You was over leveraging? You was trading too much? How did you lose $500, bro? I can help you. I can help you keep them losses to a minimum. Hey, when you follow my rules, we don't lose much. We do not lose much. CR7, join the mentorship. How are y'all losing so much money? How are we losing so much money? Hey, Keller, hey, hey, y'all see Keller Gonzalez? Is that a girl? Keller, you a girl or a woman or a man? But Keller Gonzalez said, you join a team with 5K. You join a team with 5K. Join a team with 5K. I'm gonna help you flip it. My Oh, you a dude? Okay. Shout out to Keller Gonzalez for joining the team. Hey, study the videos, take my trade setups, all right? And you're gonna flip the money. Potentially. I can't guarantee you anything. You're gonna flip the money. If you start with 10K, that's just you're gonna meet your goal a lot faster. You're gonna meet your goal a lot faster. It's up to you what you start with. It's up to you what you start with. That's all. Don't trade money you're not willing to lose. Facts. All right. Now people are saying big lot sizes. Big lot sizes is the problem. You just gotta accept that this market is not meant for you to get rich like this. It's not meant for you. It's meant to take your money. You have to learn how to play the game like how they play it. All right? You have to learn how to play the game like the banks play it. So you have to use risk management. The reason why you got to take out the right lot size is because you don't know where the market is going. You have a probability, but you don't know where it's going for sure. You can't guarantee it's going somewhere. You can't guarantee that. So the fact that you can't guarantee where the market is going next, you have to use risk management. You have to take the right lot size. Harpit just joined the team. Shout out to Harpit just joining the team. You have to use the right lot size. Don't gamble. Don't gamble your money away. Don't be foolish like that. We're here to take profits, not play around in this market. Take the profits, stop playing in the market. Anything is possible. Anything is possible. I'm a living proof of that. Anything is possible as long as you stay disciplined. Stay disciplined. The platform I'm using is TradingView. All right, y'all. So price is holding up here. So let me check a few things. TradingView is the name of the platform. TradingView. I use TradingView. Michael Cooper said, "What do you get in mentorship?" Click the link. It tells you everything. Michael Cooper, click the link, and it tells you everything you get. Yeah, Randy, it feels good, man. All right. All right, so price pushed down. Now it's pulling back. All right. Now it's pulling back. And that's usually what happens. And usually I'm asleep by now. Usually I'm done. I made my money. I took profit. I'm going back to bed. And 15 pips for me is a couple thousand. When you have a big account, so like Keller. What is it, Keller? Hold on. Yeah, Keller. Yeah, Keller. So like if you got a $10,000 account, 15 pips, $10,000 account, you can grab 15, 20 pips and make like $1,000. You can make like $1,000 once you learn how to trade my system. You can potentially make $1,000. I can't guarantee you nothing because it's Forex, but that's how I trade. That's how I trade. I'm in. I get my money or whatever, $500, $1,000, whatever the day calls for, and I'm out. I go back to bed. I'm done. And then I do it again the next day. Gold is retesting. Gold is pulling back, and we have to see what is it gonna do. Gold is pulling back. All right. So yeah, gold is just pulling back, retesting, and we just have to be patient because I'm thinking it can come back down to this 50 and bounce. You know, it could come right off of this 50, bounce, and shoot right back up. And it might not even come back down that far. I throw a fib on it right there. I throw a fib on that. Now this is tentative. This is not guaranteed, but this kind of helped me gauge. I love my fibs. This will kind of help me gauge where market might pull back to if it does. It might not pull back. But at least if it does pull back, I got a gauge. Instead of being lost, I have something to look to. And this is part of my high trade. I only open 2 positions max. The most positions I open is 2 trades. I only have 2 trades a day. That's it. I only trade 2 times a day. D-Truth. Yes, banks use Fibonacci. The whole market is wrapped around Fibonacci, believe it or not. The whole market is based on an algorithm. The whole market. All right. So the whole market is based on the algorithm. All right. They already have it set up that way. And we just have to learn how to play the game. That's all. We just have to learn how to play the game. And so many people don't know how to play the game. And that's why they lose money. Banks, you can find where buyers and sellers are with the banks by looking at supply and demand zones. The indicators just help us gauge momentum. The indicators just tell us how long to stay in the trade. The indicators don't help us find trades. Do y'all hear me on that? These indicators do not help us find trades. The indicators do not help us find trades. I'm going to keep saying it. It doesn't do it. The indicators help give a confirmation. It can help you know how long to stay in the trade, but you shouldn't be trying to find trades on indicators. Artist Consulting just joined the team. Shout out to Artist Consulting. I appreciate you. We're going to get you laced up after this video. We're going to get you laced up after this. I only hold a trade for a couple hours. I hold a trade for about 15 to 30 pips, and then I'm out the trade. I'm done with it. Day trade. Hawks Coin, yes, that's true. Hawks Coin, yeah. Yep. They track all of that. How to use the fib. So basically how to use the fib, you just put it at the bottom and you push it up to the top, to the high point. But that's not a good spot to use it right now, really. To use a fib though, like you find a high and a low. Somebody asked to pull out a fib. Find a high and a low. And you started at the high to the low, and now you got a fib. That's how you use the fib. Go to my videos on YouTube, how to use the Fibonacci. Somebody said, don't prank my pregnant wife. Don't prank my pregnant wife. I'm not going to prank her no more. I promise. I promise. That was funny as heck though. All right, so we moving up a little bit. We up a little bit of profit, not much. Price retested. All right, it's trying to push. Let's go. We up a little something in profit. There we go. Got a little something, something. Little something, something. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, you already know if you making money, let's go. Money time. Let's go. The baby is a boy or girl. I got twins, Hugh. I got twins. I got hey, if you want twins, I got the cheat code. If you want twins, I got the cheat code. Let me know. Yeah, so like if the more money you got, the more money you got, the more money you can make real quick. All right? So I'm about done trading, y'all. I'm about to be done, y'all. It's about 5 o'clock. I'm done trading at 5 o'clock. I do not trade past 5 o'clock. Um, what is the cheat code for twins? Hey, I'm gonna do a YouTube video on it. I was just playing. I'm just playing. I'm just playing. Hey. uh. The question. Hey, y'all. I'm about to take profit. I'm done trading, y'all. I gotta go. How much? A man said, how much did I start with? So I started with in hold on in August. Hold on. August 2018, I started with $1,000 again. I started over with $1,000. I took out a lot of money because I had to buy us new cars. I started with $1,000, and right today I have now 64,000. I have 64,000. So in about a year I made 64,000. And if you don't believe me, ask my team. They see everything. Ask my team in the group. They in the chat right now. Ask them. Am I lying? They see everything. Hey, if you in that money, baby, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We in the money. Do I mentor on Hey, he said, do I mentor on how to teach you how to make twins? Nah, bro. Nah, player. Nah, player. Left X triangle R100L2. That's that Mortal Kombat fatality right there. That's that Mortal Kombat fatality. And boy, that's that L2 up down forward right. Oh man. Boomy YT said, how did you make 60,000? Look, all you do you see the way I'm trading right now? That's all I did for a whole year. I'm patient. I'm patient. Do you see how I waited? I sat here from 2 a.m. to 5 o'clock. Patient. Patient. All right? Patience. I don't care what nobody says. Buy this, buy gold, sell gold, do this, do that. I don't listen to nobody. I know the way I trade. I follow my strategy, and I just do it every day. And if some days it's no trade, then I don't force it. That's it. And if you want to know my strategies and all of that stuff, then just join a mentorship. That's it. Guys, please like and share the video, guys. This is, hey, are we 2-0? Did we make money last week? Who was on here last week when we made money? We made money last week. We 2-0. We 2-0 for London, baby. We 2-0, baby. I remember us making money last week. We 2-0. Hey, share, like it and share the video, please. Please. Hold on. Like and share. Mentorship, y'all. Hey, y'all, I gotta go, y'all. I gotta go. I gotta wake up in the morning. I got business to take care of. I got a lot of stuff to do. We gotta end our session, y'all. Please like the video. Please like the video. Please share it to the world. Get it out to the world. Mentorship. Let's go. This video will be up later though. Share it. You can share it to people. We 2-0. Last week we won a trade. This week we won. We 2-0, baby. All right. So y'all, hey, we gotta check out. It's 5 o'clock. I do not trade past 5 o'clock. That's it. That's it. I took profit. I'm done. All right. Hey, I do want to say I love y'all. I really do. The reason why I love y'all, I just love y'all. Do I really gotta have a reason to love y'all? Because if you gotta have a reason to love somebody, is that really love? I love when my kids say, I say, why you love me, Elijah? He say, I don't know. That's real love. He loved me just because I'm his daddy. That's real love. And I love y'all just because y'all people, not just because y'all support me, not just because y'all chilling with me on YouTube. I love y'all because y'all work hard. I got some reasons, but I just love you. Can I just love you? All right. So hey, that's it. That's a wrap, y'all. We're gonna shut it down. I'll see y'all next Tuesday. Now look, if it's high impact news, I do not trade. So if next Tuesday is a lot of news, I will not trade. I still can get on and we can go over some training, but I do not trade, okay? All right, y'all. So You already know.
You got any more of those pips, Jay Wayne? We trying to get paid. It's Take Profit Tuesday.
50 pips a day, watch the money drip. 50 pips a day, watch the money drip. Pips pay my bills, pips pay my bills, pips pay my bills, pips pay my bills.